Hello everyone, welcome to Keerthi's NRI community. I'm CS Keerthana. I live in Dubai and run The Consultancy, a firm specialized in NRI services. I've done my CS from India, CMA Diploma from UK, and I'm also SEBI registered MFT. I am here to help you to navigate the complex NRI finance. In today's video, we are going to discuss how NRIs can keep money in different foreign currencies in India. So stay tuned till the end, like, share, and please subscribe this channel so that it will reach many NRIs. So let's start. Many of the NRIs have this most common dilemma, whether to keep the hard earnings in INR or stronger currencies like USD. I completely understand this because I am also an NRI and I have seen the appreciation of stronger currencies. Even today, due to volatility, uncertainty in global economy or increase in oil prices, etc., it's just going to continue. Look at this chart. In last decade, rupee had depreciated against USD by 36%. That means it's depreciating every year around 3%. And the same trend is likely to continue even in this decade. So now you may be thinking, what if we want to have an option to hold foreign earnings with Indian banks but in stronger currencies like dollar? It completely makes sense for two reasons. You can take advantage of 1. Strongly regulated financial system. 2. Widely accepted strong global currencies. India is evolving as one of the strongest, robust, safe and well-regulated, stable financial system in today's world. So combination of using stronger currency and Indian banking might be win-win solution for all the NRIs. Remember, this unique advantage is available only for NRIs, that is FCNR, Foreign Currency Non-Resident Account. Remember, I told you in this video last time that NRIs are allowed by FEMA to hold 3 bank accounts. They are NRE, NRO, and the last one being FCNR. So let's see in today's video how to open FCNR account, who can operate FCNR account, and what are the benefits of FCNR? What is the current interest rate for FCNR deposits? FCNR is an account where you can hold earnings in term deposit form in approved currencies such as US dollar, pound sterling, Japanese yen, euro or Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. You don't have an option of keeping these deposits in the currencies that you want. It's Reserve Bank of India or RBI which is going to pick the currency and inform Indian banks. You need to pick from that list. Most of the NRIs prefer to hold in USD because they perceive this currency is the strongest one. However, there is no restriction. You can choose any currency from the list of given these currencies. Now let's discuss who and how can you operate FCNR account. Any NRI or non-resident and OCI, that is overseas citizen of India, can open this account. But the main difference when compared to other accounts such as NRE and NRO is it is open just as term deposit. FCNR deposits can be kept from 1 to 5 years. So these are term deposit and the term is varying from 1 to 5 years. Means the foreign currencies in FCNR you can't hold in saving banks form or in any other form. It should be in term deposit form. And the minimum term that you have to hold is 1 year. You may ask, what if I keep FCNR and withdraw within 1 year? In this case, you won't be paid any interest. And of course, there might be some kind of penalty, right? Now the question is, individually NRIs can open FCNR, but is it possible to open a joint account also? Answer is yes. With any NRI or a resident who is close relative of this NRI as defined in Companies Act 2013 can open FCNR account. This table gives you an idea as who is close relative as defined in Companies Act. It is father, mother, brother, his wife, daughter, daughter's husband, etc. These joint account holders can operate just like power of attorney holders. As per the instructions of NRI, it is also on former or on survivor basis. That means NRI himself or in the case of his death only, the joint account holder can have full operating power. Now another question is, what if you as an NRI account holder had given the power of attorney to another resident? In this case, the account operations have certain restrictions. These power of attorney holders can withdraw for some permissible local payments or to remit the amount to NRI account holder himself. That's it. I hope the point is very clear now. If you are liking this content, please like this video, share it with your friends and help me to reach more and more NRIs. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now the most important part is, what is the benefit of this FCNR account? I hope you already understood how keeping money in FCNR or in stronger currencies can act as a hedge against rupee depreciation. So now, what are the advantages from taxation point? Remember, here I am discussing the taxation point from Indian taxation perspective. So if you are a citizen of USA or UK or any other countries, there might be other tax implications or any other countries where the rules may not apply also. So you must check with the local financial consultants. But from Indian taxation, this interest on FCNR is exempted. FCNR interest is completely exempted from taxation in India. So, for all NRIs who are staying in Gulf, isn't it a great news? Since you don't have any income tax in the country you live, it's very clear that you're paying zero tax. Yes, zero tax on the interest earned on FCNR deposits. In addition to this, I have to say, it is as per Section 10 clause, 15 clause, 4 clause FA of Indian taxation, which says that if a person is non-resident or resident not ordinary resident, then interest is not going to attract any tax. It's exempt. The point to be noted here is, you should exercise caution when the tax status is changing from NRI to ordinary resident. So plan this well by discussing with consultants. The next point is repatriation. If you don't know what repatriation is, it's a concept that is bringing the money to the country that you live. Let me give you an example. Babu is living in Dubai. He has sent money from Dubai to keep in FCNR deposit. After the maturity period, he doesn't want to spend that money in India. He wants to take this amount back to Dubai along with the interest that he has earned. Do we have any restrictions in this repatriation process? Absolutely no. The principal amount with its interest, it is freely repatriable. That means there is no restriction to take this amount abroad if you want. And also, you may get the loan against this term deposits in FCNR without any ceiling limit. Even in foreign currency, it is just subject to the margin requirement of the bank. Now let's see, what is the current interest rate for FCNR deposits? Look at this table. This gives you an idea about SBI rates offered across the currencies in FCNR account in 2023. The interest rate varies from currency to currencies and term to term. In SBI, for 1 year FCNR deposit, it is on USD, I'm telling, it's 5.6% interest. This can change from bank to bank also. Look at the current FCNR rate offered by Kotak Mahindra Bank. It's around 5.8%. So, before opening FCNR deposits, please check with different banks and then proceed. And always remember, my videos are just for financial education. So consult your financial advisor and make the best personalized decision for your bright financial future. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I can bring more and more NRI contents in coming series. So see you all. Bye for now.